everyone, once again welcome back in your morning motivation, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Talk Walk Walk Talk. And guys, in every video, just you get information while talking, while walking, and we don't feel bored. Actually, whenever we walk, it's also good for our health, and whenever we talk, it's also good for our communication skill. And so I am gonna today, guys. First of all, I would like to give you one word. Just quotation. As every day, just I start. Every video with a positive line and positive thoughts. So today, positive thoughts is, guys. Uh, it takes nothing to join the crowd. It takes nothing to join the crowd, but it takes everything to stand alone, guys. Yeah, actually, to just to be in a crowd, it wouldn't it wouldn't be challenges, but to just go ahead, to just take action alone, guys. Yeah, it would be tough rather than crowd, but guys, it would make you strong rather than uh, to join crowd, guys. You'll be you will not have any identity if you join the crowd. But if you just take action, if you go ahead, and if you do each and everything, if you make your own decision, if you take your own decision, literally you'll get one identity. And after a couple of time, you'll be inspiration for youth. And you will also feel proud on yourself, and you can make your parents proud on themselves. So guys, today not I'm gonna just motivate you. Today I'm gonna just talk about one crucial topic, guys. Brain drain. Maybe this among of you, you heard sometime just brain drain. What is brain drain, guys? Brain drain, guys, a drain of brain. I mean, yeah, I would like to demonstrate it. What's a brain drain? If you watch this video just regarding brain drain, so you having watched this video, you don't need to just go somewhere else and some other YouTube channel to just glean knowledge regarding brain drain. So I'll give my 105% to make you understand and to demonstrate it, guys. Brain drain, it's a drain of brain. Talented person, when they migrate from other country, from our country, then we call like brain drain from India. And guys, like in our just at our home, when useless water drain, so then we call it water drain system. So same thing we call like talented brain, whenever they drain, we call brain drain. So guys, I wouldn't just demonstrate only pros. I'd just demonstrate pros and cons. Okay. So pros, guys, positive side of brain drain, and cons, negative side of brain drain. So first of all, I'd like to demonstrate positive, pro side of brain drain. So first, pro side, guys. First pro side is global network. Yeah. So what is global network, and how do we make, if any talented brain just drain other foreign country, overseas, guys? Whenever anyone, suppose I am like an engineer in India. If I migrate, if I drain somewhere else, then guys, I'll represent India. I'll represent Indian culture. Yeah, I'll wear Indian clothes. Ethnic clothes. I'll have Indian food, and then, guys, just being an engineer, I'll represent my country. In US and other of foreign country. Overseas. So we make a global network, guys. I'll also learn many things from them, and they will also learn many things. So we can say like India I mean, in the job competition, guys, in job competition, India will be like guru. I mean, India will be icon for every country, and we can help the world to just grow. I mean, guys, in a, actually in job competition, in job market, Indian youth will be prominent to get job. And second, guys, a soft skill. I mean, skill and job opportunity, just I'll work. I mean, through brain drain we get. Like, guys, if I just went, if I go in US, okay, and I work there, and I am earning well. But guys, I'll also learn many things, like education. I mean, US education, and their politics, and living in standard of their citizen, and job and skill. And guys, if when I'll come back in India, then I mean, Indian government will also get to know about me, and Indian government will get to know about American education system, American culture, and American job market. And guys, same thing we can implement in our country, and it will be so, I mean, so like discourse for our country to just implement, and just to help our country to develop. So yeah, and education system I learn, and just I'll help the country. I mean, if Indian government implement some tools in Indian education system, so just it would be like I mean, discourse for our country. And next point, guys, pros. I'd like to just demonstrate. If I work in US, so remittance, I'll get remittance. I mean, I'll get money. I mean, dollar, and then I'll send to my family in India, and my family will get dollar, and not my family will get dollar direct. Actually, first, if my family get, then my family first of all visit at any bank, and then my family will convert, I mean, dollar into Indian currency, and then they can, I mean, just buy anything. So guys, remittance, I mean, Indian government will get remittance, I mean, dollar. And do you know, guys, value of dollar, just for a government to just exchange anything, to buy any just foreign I mean, overseas product, export, import, we need dollar. So it will also just help our country to develop. And guys, one more thing I would like to just demonstrate: innovation. Like, guys, if I just go, I mean, if I go in US, and then I'll get to know about US technology, innovation, what kind of things are there, that things, I mean, that things are not, I mean, those things are not in our country. So I learn, and when I'll come back in India, so I'll innovate same things by different way in our country to make our citizen, I mean, to make their life easy. Like now there is, you can say, like 10 minute delivery app, Japto, and Swiggy, Instamart. Do you know how did they get idea? Actually, guys, those applications right now we are using, it those all, I mean, that kind of application was invented in I mean just overseas 10 years ago. So I mean, they like just 2 and 3 person, I mean, engineer and entrepreneur, they went overseas, and they get to, I mean, they got to know technology, and then they came back in India and invented this, I mean, developed this all application. And guys, if, I mean, your name is Prakash, okay, and you have completed your I mean, any like degree in aerospace, okay, and to just help the country to just I mean, to innovate technology in aerospace. And you if you get opportunity to work in NASA, okay, then yeah, you just go there to work. And definitely, if you get a job in NASA, so if I compare NASA and ISRO. So would NASA would be better rather than ISRO in only I mean just in a prosperity, I mean in money and salary context. Otherwise, like, ISRO would be better. You all get your own culture, you all get your language and many more things, and you all get your own friends and many things there are. So but guys, if you work, I mean if Prakash work in NASA, then Prakash will get to know NASA technology and their development, their policy, how do they work. And guys, you know, just NASA, ISRO, I mean NASA Space Agency is one of the best in the world. So it will also help us to implement some policy in our space space agency like ISRO, and it will help us to innovate, to work a lot, to make some different technology, and to just compete the world in space. And guys, it's all about pros. And if I talk about cons, guys, I mean negative aspect of brain drain. So there are also negative, actually guys. Every coin has flip side. So same thing, brain drain has also flip side. Like we get many things, so we also lose many things. So what kind of thing we lose? So I'd like to just demonstrate in an easy way. First, guys, we lose talented talented and a skillful person. If guys, I just grow up here, I mean 20 and 25, and I completed my education and in India, and each and everything I did here. And now I'm feeling to just go abroad, I mean overseas for work. Why? I'm not getting just salary except my education. So I just go there, and I started working. So guys, I will help to innovate, I will help to develop other country economy, not India. And it it will never let my country develop. It will never let my country to just just in a innovation field and many more things. Like if Prakash just educated himself in India and he went, so definitely it doesn't matter when he'll come or not. It's his wish. There is no any compulsion in our constitution. So you will have to come back. Like APJ Abdul Kalam, guys, he just help our country in he just in ISRO and just space and many things to develop many weapons nowadays we have. So if he worked in US NASA, so definitely nowadays we just like depend on foreign country. And second, guys, uh, it's second, guys, reduce you can say reduce like innovation. Yeah. If I talk about Sundar Pichai, just your Google, he educated himself in India. I mean, he just consume Indian resources to just grow up, and having educated himself, he just he left the country, and now he is working in US for Google and for other company. So guys, if he work in India, so maybe just just Google and other companies could be just in our country. But nowadays we don't have any tech company like Google, Flipkart, I mean Google and Facebook, Insta. We don't have any internet, any tech company. That company can compete in the tech field. So we need talented person. Then they can innovate. And next, guys, I'll just I mean, if the talented person they just go outside, I mean, they go overseas, then our country will be, I mean, will be just depend on foreign country in many contexts, like technology, weapons, and right now just we are depend on Russia and France, Germany for weapons. So if like talented person they work in India, so definitely they will help to just develop our country in many contexts to develop weapons and many more things. And guys, there are also many points just but I'm getting just tired. It has been more than 15 minutes, so it's time to rest my words, but I'll try to just demonstrate one and two also points. Guys, when if I talk about pros, I mean one more positive side, when our country person go abroad, I mean overseas, so guys, they, I mean, they also just help to our country to make a better relation. Like if someone is living in US, I mean in our Indian, they are in a uh, I mean 1 and 2 lakh Indian they are living. So guys, it will help to just make a better relation with US. It will be compulsion also for US to make better relation with India, and it will be also compulsion for Indian government to make better relation with US government. So you can say just it help us to make policy and to just implement anything. And it's also like proud for us, I mean for Indian, to just work in I mean abroad, and it make us feel proud, like who is studying in India now, who's working in a foreign country. So it represent Indian talents, Indian education. Yeah, if someone is educated himself in India, so definitely Indian education is one of the best education. That's why Indian students they are able to compete in the job market at global level. So that's why just it help us to make policy. So thank you, and it's all about today. And next day just I'll bring a new different topic and I'll just work over there. And if you like my words, so please you can share with your friends. Either you can like, and many more things just you can do for supporting. And please take care of yourself and your family, and always do those work can make you delightful and just comfort. And second, keep on having a smile on your face. Thank you.